Real estate agents are seen today like a transactional commodity. My name is Ihara. We started KW Real Estate Planner because I really believe that it was important to elevate the knowledge of real estate agents in the industry. We're at the brink of the largest transition of wealth in America today. With over $70 trillion being transferred, what we found also is that 70% of families were fighting over real estate after their parents died. Successful businesses really identify a problem and provide solutions to that problem. At some point in time, an older adult can't stay home any longer. We built a solution to that called Senior Relocation Services, where we understand where do you go, how much does it cost, what does life look like, how do I get there, and who can help me. These same individuals had wealth in real estate. They had more than one property. These properties have become a burden to them. Tenants, toilets, the trash, the termites, the taxes, but yet they don't want to sell it because of this thing called capital gains taxes. The goal is to be able to lead somebody to self-discovery of the path that they desire. For example, one of the things that we're asking our KW Real Estate Planner members to ask when selling a home, do you understand your capital gains tax liability? We've provided a solution around that through the 1031 exchange. Our mission is to keep families together. You know, what really inspired me to do this was, one was my father. He really empowered us to change the world. He taught us about integrity, about always doing the right thing. He said, your word is the most important thing you have, is doing the right thing, doing what you say you're gonna do. And so many times we see in our world that that's not happening. And we're on a national mission to elevate our agents' knowledge, elevate how we show up, elevate how the community sees us as realtors, because the world sees us as a transactional commodity. But when we show up in the right way, we're the relational consultant, somebody that is valued at the same level as a financial planner or a trust attorney or a CPA. We want to educate our agents to learn that you can earn a seat at that table. It's not about us, it's about our client. Care for somebody, ask the right questions. When we do that, we change the world.